KA7AJQ, Net Control for the Rural Amateur Radio Association. My name is Sheila. I am located just south of Carson City. Our net meets every Saturday morning at 7:30 a.m. Pacific Time here on 3965 kilohertz. Our Rural Amateur Radio Association was organized originally for Nevada rural areas, but all are welcome to join with us and share news and experiences from your area. Is there any emergency priority traffic or relays? We have established a roundtable list from the previous net, but everybody additional is welcome. Is there anybody else to be added to the list? KA7AJQ will be continuing with our roundtable then, and checking first for KA7FOO.
Doug, you still in there? Guess he went to breakfast.
That and already getting ready maybe to think about leaving in 4 weeks, so thanks for the relay. WA3PAD? I know often he doesn't stay, but I thought I would try. N6VEV?
Was that N7ZEV? Good morning, Sheila. Good morning to the net. Sunlight's improving and everything's looking good in southern Nevada. Back to net.
That 6 slipped out because, of course, I do have 7 down. Every once in a while, things get mixed up here, so yes, that was a 7. And thank you for staying. W7WOW, hello again.
W7WOW. Guess he went to the dogs.
Yeah, I think maybe he did. Sometimes he gets a phone call, too, so I'll check with him again. Gosh, a lot of people have things to do this morning. Is N6CVO there?
Good morning, Sheila. Number 6, Charlie Victor Oscar. Let's see, I'll give you guys a quick update. We do still have 3 Pico balloons in the air. They were launched in January from Quartzbeth, and they're still flying. One of them is in the Atlantic, just south of Halifax, Canada. It's transmitting right now on 10 meters, and even though it's only putting out around 20 milliwatts, you can hear it if you tune to the whisper subband of 10 meters and listen carefully. So that one's transmitting now. Second balloon is over the Pacific and overflew Clipperton Island last night, and is heading down near the Galapagos this morning and then on to Panama. So that should be an interesting one. We don't usually get balloons down in that area. And the third balloon flew over Japan yesterday and out into the Pacific. It is dead center in the jet stream, and it's traveling at an incredible 200 miles an hour, or over 200 miles an hour. And we're hoping it holds together. That's pretty fast, but if it's moving in the middle of a giant air mass that's going that fast, it actually shouldn't see any wind at all. So that's it for me, N6CVO.
Amazing. Was it just the 3 that you put up originally?
Yeah, all 3 were launched in the near the end of January before the sun.
That's quite remarkable and quite an adventure to hear about their progress, and they're still being up there. Thank you. W6PE, hello again.
Good morning again, Sheila and everyone. Wow, that's amazing, the Pico balloon, 200 miles an hour. It's hard to imagine a balloon that goes 200 miles per hour. So that's quite a cool statistic there. So yeah, those things never cease to amaze me. Not too much going on here. Just the usual. Still working on the rental on the weekend, so getting it done what I can, but it's getting closer, so I hope to be done here in the next month or so. But I'm going a little bit slow, but getting it done, and that's about it. But always take some time on the mornings to do a little bit of radio and check in and see how everybody's doing. So thanks for doing the net. Back to you, K7AJQ, W6PE.
Oh, you are welcome. It is, I always enjoy hearing your progress, and I know how that goes. We are still working on the fencing on ours. It's still down from that big January blowdown there. So we have the new wood and everything, and we're just probably going to treat it today, maybe put that stuff on the posts. And no, I was wrong about that. I think today we're just going to separate them because they got rained on and some were a little green. Then we'll put the staining on maybe next week, and then think about digging the holes and getting the whole thing back up. W1RO, hello again.
Well, hello again. Hey, Brian, can we have the call sign for those pico balloons?
Yes, it's November 6th, Charlie Victor Oscar, November 6th, Juliet Echo Delta, and KJ6 CPU, Charlie Papa Uniform.
Second one was November 6th, Juliet Echo Delta, is that correct?
That is correct. And they're all have just finished 5 laps around the world.
Okay, I just saw CVO-16 doing 80 miles an hour out there in the Pacific. Is that another one?
Yeah, the KJ6 CPU one is the one that's doing a little over 200 miles an hour at the moment.
Okay, that's it. There's one that's up that says N6 CVO-16. When I look it up under APRS.FI, it shows me west of Panama.
That's correct. And for anyone else, the easiest way to look up these balloons is to go to our club's website, and there's a single-click link on there that will take you to the tracking pages. And the club website is aadarc.org. That's Alpha Alpha Delta ARC for Amateur Radio Club.org.
Okay.
AARC.org.
All right, thank you very much. I just pop in there, check them out every now and then. So thank you again. And a reminder for all of those who want to learn some CW or to improve your CW, 10 a.m. today, frequency 7050, slow speed net. They call the net. You'll hear November, Victor, November as an NVN. This is K6EAU, I believe is the net control's call sign, and he'll check you in. And after he checks everybody in, does just like Sheila's doing, he goes back for a round table, and what they're doing is they're asking people to send them weather just so they get the practice of sending as well as receiving. So those of you that are interested in getting your speed back up, they were doing a whopping 7 words a minute with a gentleman last week, so they will go faster for those of you that can go faster. W1RO, back to you, Sheila.
Very good information about the 10 o'clock net. Does anybody need Phil for that CW net? Good information. Good to hear. Thank you very much. W7BWX, good morning.
Good morning, Sheila. Well, last week we had a couple of trips to Salt Lake back and forth. We actually bought a truck, a Ford Maverick, and had it for not quite 30 days, and it had a ghost in it. And you drive it, park it, and it would go dead. Or you drive it, park it, and the windows wouldn't work. Or you park it and drive it, and the doggone thing the heater controls would go away. Anyway, we took it back, and we got all our money back. We bought it from CarMax, and so we had a 30-day guarantee on it, and but it was quite a trip back and forth, and got to see my granddaughter a bit, and that was great. But for me, it was kind of a tough one, and had to rent a car to get back here as well. But it was quite a journey and quite a thing. But did fine, and we'll probably have a little breakfast. Nice sunshine day. I love the sunshine. No matter how long it's been here or how long it's been away, I love the sunshine. So that's about it. W7BWX, back to you from Southern Spring Creek. Thanks, Sheila, for doing that.
Oh, you are welcome. We really appreciate you staying and checking into RARA, because I know you all do go to breakfast. And one of these days, just never know, might surprise everybody. Would anybody else like to be added to the list or have additional comments? Well, we had a very nice net. A lot of people have things to do these days, so we're going to go ahead and call it and wish everybody that great day and go ahead and close. KA7AJQ.
W1RO and 6BDO.
Not guilty, I didn't do it.
Pretty funny. Hey, are you going to Zion HamCon?
Negative.
Oh, okay. I just thought maybe one day we'd actually get to meet.
Yeah, I'm hoping to make it down at Quartz Fest next time around. I'm a cancer patient that's in remission at the time, and I just got permission recently that I can be in the vicinity of people as long as I wear a mask, because I have the old compromised immune system. So that's what's keeping me out of a lot of activities I could do in person over.
Okay. Well, I'm glad to hear that you're doing better there. That's good to hear. All right. I just thought I'd check. You have a good day. 7-3. N6CBO.
W1 73. Have a good day.